second piercing at 16 years old. You said offhandedly it made your lips feel cold. And then you looked at me and smiled and started putting up your hair, and I couldn't help it, all that I could do was stare. You picked out my tattoo when we were 17. You drew out every line so stark and bold and clean. And when the bulk of it was done, your eyes were brighter than the sun. And then you picked out one to match, but just for fun. The summers I spent with you are the best I've ever had. You held my hand last Tuesday and my God, I've got it bad. 'Cause darling, you taste like cherry blossoms and you smell just like 'em too. Baby, forever sounding pretty good with you. Sneak out past the old bridge after school, and I'd be fumbling and trying to keep my cool. That time I broke my board and fell, oh God, the stories I could tell. Now times have changed, but we're still singing these songs well. I've always got some time to spare when you drop by. Still tease me over cold red bottles.